Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin, what happened, and what we might expect next. This is a daily close. Of course, we're gonna dive in the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart. So basically, we are still in this possibility where we might have here, of course, an A, B, and a C still unfolding towards the upside. Wave C still, of course, a 5 waves expanding diagonal. Of course, the things are not going to push directly in one leg directly toward the upside. We're gonna get some correction, and we got one so far, which it might still be, of course, two possibilities that we're gonna talk about them, of course, on the 15-minute chart. But what I'm looking for here first is a zigzag toward the upside, and that because, of course, we have several zigzag there as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. To finish this A, B, and a C over there. So a zigzag, of course, requires then as well an impulse correction and impulse as well that it might unfold here for a wave 5. So if we dive inside it here, we can see we got so far an impulse upward here, which let's start from a 1, 2 here, wave 3, 4, and a 5 somehow. Can be, sorry, 1, 2, and then a wave 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave A here, where you have, of course, here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a 4, and a 5 again for this impulse. We got a correction 3 ways. I mentioned in the intraday it might be an aggressive move toward the upside. We already saw something aggressive, but after this, of course, we saw again, of course, a correction. Now, in the only video members I mentioned when we were still ranging in this area, I mentioned, of course, we might have here two possibilities, of course. Basically, you can test the 0.38 fib level first. This is the first testing area. If we fail it, and we did, of course, we're going to test the next fib level, which is perfect fib level for a wave 1, 2 here. Currently, we didn't took the 886 perfectly, and we start to see a signal of strands. That means, of course, yes, can be a 1, 2 here. 3, 4, 5 expected for a wave C there to unfold. Now, if it is broken again, this and taking the 886, it is of course very likely to take the low there, and that means open another scenario for an A, B, and a C here, unfolding for a deeper wave B, and that means of course our wave B as a zigzag here, an A, B, and a C. Yeah, so that it for the wave 5, of course, in expanding diagonal. So far, we see, of course, a signal of strands here on the 15-minute chart. We see, of course, a potential rebound inside this red box here, our testing area. Now, is it something bullish? Well, you cannot know yet, of course. This is very micro. It's not very clear yet. But we see something green unfolding here. If the things continue for higher here, I would say yes, it can be. Otherwise, it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. To make sure, of course, that we push for higher, this is invalidation as well for of bearish. Okay, so this might be our invalidation over there. Meaning, if you take this price, the price here at 70k 955. That means you cannot expect to push downward again, of course, as very bearish here, as impulsive. Simply, of course, something is rebounding toward the upside. So we'll see how this is going to unfold for Bitcoin. That was its daily close. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.